Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to translate PDFs using DeepL AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to translate PDFs using DeepL website or AI, all you got to do is simply go to DeepL. So once you're in your DeepL, you need to simply use the app itself or the website, and you need to use the translate files feature. You need to simply go there and have your files uploaded in your DeepL. Once you have uploaded your file, you can simply click on upload your PDF. You need to select the language and then start the translation. After this, you can simply download and review what DeepL has processed, and you can simply have some free and pro versions of it, and you can simply do the fine-tuning and formatting of your PDF as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.